case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, Frank Gilbert passed away, leaving behind a potential legal maze. 2 documents, a typewritten will from 1976 and a handwritten letter found folded with a business card and pay stub in a sealed envelope dating from 1978, were submitted for probate. The key to the puzzle? Determining whether the handwritten document was merely an amendment to the original will, a codicil, or represented a complete overhaul of the intended legacy. The lower court decided that document was a codicil, something the appellants disputed, thereby setting the justice wheels in motion again. Confident that this handwritten note was not just an appendage, but a whole new will, they took their battle to the Kentucky Court of Appeals in 1983, in a case that would become known as Gilbert vs. Gilbert. Unfazed by the assertions of the appellants, the Court of Appeals declared that the holographed letters, though considered part of the will, did not supersede or discard the original typewritten will. Instead, the court determined that the handwritten document referred solely to the money Gilbert stashed away in his employer's safe, an element that didn't conflict with the residuary clause of the original will. In an affirming nod to the decision of the lower court, the appeals court held the principle that the first will remained in effect, but with an exception now clearly carved out for the money in the safe. Such was the final judgment, marking the end of legal journey that demonstrated the finer nuances of the intent and interpretation of a testamentary will.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.